Hola chicas, so just putting up this video to show you what I want you to do para el lunes on this Monday, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to have a look at página 161, page 161, okay? If you look at the top of the page here, we're going to it's asking you cómo son tus profesores, so describing your teachers, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look through here, this little exercise in the green box, and it's just saying here, busca los siguientes adjetivos en el diccionario y decide si son positivos or negativos. Okay, so look for the following adjectives in your dictionary and decide if they are positive or negative. So what I want you to do is look up some of these words here. There is 20 of them. Yeah, there's 20 of them here. So you're given the Espanol. Okay, so you're given the Spanish of them, okay? So I want you to write in the English, the English, and I want you to write in then if it's positivo, if it's a positive characteristic trait, or negativo. So you just put in a P or an N, okay? Some of them you'll have seen before, some of them you haven't, and some of them you'll be able to guess. For instance, like estricto, strict sounds that it is. We've seen trabajador before. Some of them you mightn't have seen, okay? So just to fill them into your text, but just fill them into your copybook, okay? So that's the first thing I want you to do. We're skipping ahead a few pages. We're going to skip over the time, but I will come to that later on in the week. It's the 24-hour clock, but we will look at that and maybe on el martes or miércoles. Okay, so we will look at that. What I want you to do after that's the first thing I want you to do. The second thing I want you to do is go to página 161. Yes, sorry, page 160. So that other page was 156, and this page now is 161, okay? 160, 161. So here we've got las normas escolares, okay? The school rules, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to read through these school rules lo que tenemos aquí, okay? And I want you to traducirlos al inglés, translate them into English, okay? I just got some notes here to help you. So the first one, these will help you translate. The first one I've got here is no se puede. No se puede means one can't, okay? So no se puede salir del colegio durante el día. So one can't or one cannot leave school during the day. So that one should help you for that first one, okay? Next thing I've got underlined now, it's not very clear, is está prohibido. Está prohibido means it is banned. Yeah, so that'll help you with that one. The next thing I've got here underlined is this one, está permitido. Permitido means if it's allowed, okay? So here we have no está permitido means it is not allowed, okay? The one above that as well, a word we might, una palabra que no hemos visto, we haven't seen maybe, is chicle. Chicle means chewing gum, okay? The next one here where we're saying you have to do something or you need to do something is hay que. So hay que al inglés translates to it is. It is necessary, okay? So you can nearly guess what that one there is. Hay que ser puntual. So hay que it is, okay? The last one I don't have it highlighted here, is no se permite. No se permite está el mismo que está permitido. So it means, so se permite means it is allowed, but if there's a no in front of it, it means it is not permitted or it is not allowed, okay? And the last one I've highlighted down here is the eso verbo here, traer, to bring. So es obligatorio, it's obligatory to traer, to bring los materiales necesarios, the necessary materials, okay? So what I want you to do is, I'll set this up as a Google Doc. I want you to just translate them de español al inglés and just do it into the Google Doc on the classroom assignment. Okay, muchas gracias, chicas.